Hello, our kitty can draw friends. Ready for some enchanting art? Let's bring Ellian from Spellbound to life. Let's start drawing. For the eyebrows, draw a small vertical line and two curved lines connected with a pointy end on the other side. For the eye, draw half a circle, then a curve at the bottom. Draw a circle inside for the iris, and a smaller circle inside for the pupil, and color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Make the line on the top thicker for the eyelashes. For the nose, draw a small letter C and its mirror image on the other side, then a half circle in the center, and connect them all together. For the mouth, draw a curve under the nose, then make a smaller curve opposite to it on top. Then make another curve at the bottom, slightly longer than the one on top. For the face outline, draw a wide letter V that's curved at the bottom. For the left ear, draw an upside down letter V with a pointy end. Draw a curve inside. For the hairline, draw a curved line coming up from the ear, going slightly to the right. Then draw a large letter C connected to it, and end it with a flare at the bottom. Draw a wavy line connecting the letter C to the other side of the face. Before we complete the hair, let's draw two lines for the neck. Then draw a diagonal line going upwards on each side. Draw a similar line under each one, making the space between the lines narrower on the outer side and wider inwards. Draw 5 fingers on each side for the hands. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. To finish the hair, draw a wavy line connecting the letter C on top to the left arm. Then draw another wavy line connecting the top of the letter C to the right arm. Make this line more away from the face than the other side. Complete the hair under the arm with a small wavy line. Draw a curved line coming down from each arm for the sides of the body. For the color of the shirt, draw two lines coming down from the left shoulder. Extend the line on the right with the curve towards the right side of the body. Then draw a diagonal line coming out from the right side of the body going down towards the left side. But before reaching the left side, draw a line going up to the left side of the body. Extend the other line coming down from the shoulder, similarly to make a double line. Draw 2 lines coming down from the right shoulder, then going left to finish the collar. Draw vertical lines coming down from the hem of the shirt, with a small oval shape attached to the end of each. Extend the line coming down from each side of the body toward the sides of the legs. Draw an upside down letter V in the middle. Then connect each pair of lines together at the bottom with half a square with rounded corners. Draw 2 lines coming down from each leg to make the boots, making them narrower than the pants legs and getting narrower as you go down. Draw half an oval shape at the bottom of each pair of lines to finish the boots. We're going to break the spell. Let's go! Now you can draw Ellian from Spellbound the movie. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.